Jai Sriman He is now taking Sitamma very close to him, and Ramachandra Swami consoling Sitamma. Sitamma puts her head on divine Vakshasthalam Visala, the wide chest of Rama, and trying to take little bit of rest on that chest, and now again started saying that, "Oh Rama, if you do not take me along with you, Rama, Jamataram Prapya Striyam Purusha Vigraham." What my father is going to think about you, he will definitely think that, how did I give my daughter to a person who came in the form of man, but originally he is not. Like that, he would think you in that way. He would think about you in that way. He thinks that, how did I give my daughter to a lady? Do not do this, Rama. If you are not taking me along with you, so far until now all the people are appreciating great qualities and the glow, the effulgence in you. But all of them will start saying that all those qualities are all the lies. Nothing exists in you. They will start saying, if you do not take me along with you. Oh Rama, please do not do that. And along with a little bit of anger, now Sitamma says that, Rama, you take care of your mothers. Why should I? You do serve them. I will serve you. And Bharata is king to you. He is not king to me. You do follow his words, but I don't follow his words. I will just follow you. I will just take care of you. I will just do seva to you. Tapova edivaranyam swargova. Wherever you are, may you be in the tapas, may you be in vanavasam, may you be in swargam. Wherever you are, I will be there right next to you. I will be there always with you. Oh Rama, may this all the forests may be dreadful. May there will be so much of pain in staying in Aranyam. All that will give me so much happy only when I am with you. O Rama, yastvaya sahasasvargo. If I am there with you, that is my heaven. Nirayo yastvaya vina. If you are not there with me, that is the narakam to me. Wherever we are, you have to be there with me. I have to be there with you. I cannot bear separation for not even a fraction of second from you. Like that, Sitamma again getting so much emotional along with little bit of anger. Now she hugs Rama tightly, Bhrusam Alingya Saswaram. She is now hugging Rama tightly and again loudly crying. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, We want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.